Hey guys, it's Zara unboxing time. I have been on the site like every day, every other day, waiting for them to put some good dresses for us. So I have a box and a bag of dresses that I wanted to unbox with you and try on for you. So these I think are my favorite style. I tried to get more everyday for me, but dresses that we can wear to lunch out with our husband, not really skimpy dresses. And, I think there are maybe some dressier dresses in here, but I do have some occasions coming up, and I know that you do too. So let's start with what I hope is a new edition of, yes, this is much like the dresses, if not exactly like the ones that I got last year. Remember, I think I wore the black one to that speaking engagement that I did in Atlanta. And then I wore the pink one to the Barbie opening in New York for Zara. And I love these. I love these. These are so good. They have this little panel that helps you have more coverage. And because of these little gathers, extra fabric, it is really forgiving. So yay, I'm excited about these. So I got a black one. I would have gotten every color. And then I got the red. Oh my gosh. Okay, today my dress is a Norma Kamali dress. And I just have it on with my Walmart flip-flops. But I love this dress. It's one of her go-to basics, and I love it. I got it from Revolve. It has the little silicone strap right here and kind of like a bralette, built into it. And it, again, has these gathers that are very forgiving, and it would look good dressed up, but I think it looks good with a flat sandal too. I might end up throwing like one of those H&M blazers on over it, but it's sunny here and it's getting up to 80 today. So hopefully I'll be able to get out in the sun some. But the sizes I got in these are medium. I could wear the small, but I like to size up in dresses usually at Zara. Okay, now comes a box of stuff that I have not looked at yet. I haven't looked at those either, but this came early last week, and then I ordered the other dresses separate. Oh my goodness. Okay. I see something else red. Can you see? Red is having a moment with me. Okay. Did I order the same dress twice? Did I? No. Okay. This one is, okay, I can already tell it's a little bit longer and a little bit more risque because it has this front, but then as you see, it has like a lower cut back, which is really sexy. I love that. And the straps are adjustable. I really love that. I love that. Okay, but I would not say that is bra friendly. That is going to be something that you wear with the, the stick-ons or the silicone pieces. Okay, this looks something very similar. Hey, this is very similar to the dresses that I just showed you in my knits video up here. And this is much less expensive. They really are nice. I mean, they're much nicer than this one, but this will give you that same look. Look at that. See how it's the knit? Just a good regular tank dress. I must have got this in medium, and see, this is the risk that I take. I think I could have worn a small in this, but I will try it on and see. And I will put a note by the dress. You'll see it on me because I'll be trying these on, but I'll put a note. I'm thinking this is going to be too big for me, but that is why I do these videos. That way, if you order it, you'll have some idea of how it fits. Okay, this one, this looks a little different and a little scary, but wow. Okay, that's something totally different. Wow. I love this. Now, I will say that it is sheer. So, what would you do? Would you just wear black bra and undies with it? I'll have to see how that works. I'm not sure about this. So this is going to be a wild card. But I think Zara is one of the easiest returns. All you do is go through and click the ones in it. You return it with one box. Unlike some places, make you return each thing to where they came from. Okay, here is another little knit, but this one has, oh wow, look at that. Has the little rhinestones. Please let this fit me. Okay, I ordered a medium, and this has the halter neck. Okay, I would say that is very pretty, but it is not going to be bra friendly. So you're going to need those little, what are they called? I'm not as crazy about the sticky ones as I am just the silicone-y ones. I'm not sure what they're called, but I will list my favorite ones down below. And I've even gotten the ones from like CBS. And okay, this was $49.90. So these are a lot less expensive than the ones from Revolve, that L'Academy. I mean, it's apples and oranges, but it kind of comes down to sometimes, is it a one-hit wonder that you just want to wear one or two times just this season? Well, then you don't want to spend a lot. Or is it just like one of those basic dresses you're going to have in your closet? But I will say the heavier the fabric, the better it will hang, especially if you have rumples and bumples like I think we all do. So this will be interesting. I'm a little apprehensive, but I hope that some of these work out. I feel really good about the first two. Because I had something so similar, if not the same, last year, I really think those are going to work. And I'm still loving the nude shoes, still loving the clear ones with the toe ring, but still, all in all, my favorites will always be the clear straps with the clear heel, the chunkier heel. I just think they're so versatile. So if you have been on the Zara website and you've seen something that you like, let me know, because that is a huge website. I try to go through all of it, but as you can imagine, it takes a lot of time and they're always putting new things on there. I will list everything down below. Oh, my accessories. Okay, my lip combo. This is that one I love so much. It's my lip liner with Christian Audette, Paradise. It's the Estee Lauder Showstopper and the City Beauty Los Angeles. And then I have on some Jenny Bird earrings, my wolf ring, Ideal Diamonds necklace, and my watch. And that is it. So I hope you guys have a great day. It's Monday now, and I hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.